try pretending your love was never ending. Now you can even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you.